Dive in the divine world of dates with this sugar-free sweetness wrapped in a roll. And today I'm going to prepare a dessert favorite, that is Khajur Roll. I'm going to start with roasting some nuts. So let's heat a teaspoon of ghee. Add in half a cup of chopped almonds, half a cup of chopped cashews, half a cup of chopped pistachios, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds or khaskhas. Roast all these ingredients on low heat for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and turn off the flame and remove it in a bowl and let it cool down. In the same pan, again I'm going to heat up 1 tablespoon of ghee. I have here 500 grams of black seedless dates that I've chopped finely. On low heat, cook the dates till they are nice and soft. And now let's remove this from the pan and let it cool down. Take around a big heaped tablespoon of the date mixture, maybe half more, and mix it with the nuts so that it helps in binding all the nuts together. This is good enough. Spread an aluminium sheet on the kitchen counter. Apply a little bit of ghee. Take the date ball, just knead it lightly. Place it on the sheet. Lightly spread it with greased fingers. And then we are going to cover it with a cling film and start rolling this into a rectangle sheet. Once you are done rolling it, carefully remove the cling film. You can see it's about 2-3 mm thick. Since this is a longer side, I'm going to place the filling this way. Leave a little bit of the date sheets on both the sides. I'm just going to turn this towards me. With the aluminium foil, very carefully roll it. Pick it up. Whatever is the extra date sheet, just cut it and remove it. Just roll it very carefully. Remove the foil now. Take the roll from the foil. Place the roll on the cling film. Just smoothen it out. Take some roasted poppy seeds. Spread them over the cling film. Make sure they get stuck evenly. Wrap the roll in cling film and let this refrigerate for 10 minutes. After setting the log for 10 minutes in the fridge, let's cut them into slices. So don't remove the cling film. This nutritious Khajur roll is ready. If you do not want to make it like a separate stuffing and a coating on top, what you can do is just warm up the dates and then add in all the nuts, make a log, cut it into slices, and you're ready to go. Do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.